Hi and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Kassi and I'm your host. And remember when I did this review of the ergonomic hooks for arthritic hands? Well, I went ahead and put a hidden giveaway at the very end of the video. So those of you who watched my video all the way to the end knew that at the end of the video I said go ahead and leave a comment with the word grip in the comments, which some of you guys did. And if you use that word in the comments, then in about 10 days from now, I will pick a winner of somebody who will not only win those crochet hooks, but who will also win some surprise yarn that I'll be packing in with those crochet hooks. And it is time for me to pick the winner for that. So one thing I wanted to say about these particular hooks here that I did a review about, that I found out after I did the review, is that Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, a very, very big crochet channel, you guys might want to check him out. He uses these hooks in his tutorials. I don't know if he always uses the hooks, but I've seen him use these hooks in his tutorials. So this is the kind of hooks that Mikey uses. So I thought that that would be something that would be kind of an interesting side note for those of you who were interested in these particular hooks. So, alright, so I've got the URL pasted here. I'm going to go ahead and filter duplicate users, and I'm going to filter comments based on a specific text, and that text was grip. Alright, and I told you guys to be kind of sneaky and not mention that there was any kind of giveaway, because I didn't want to give it, I wanted it to just be for the people who watched my video to the end, alright? So I'm going to find out how many people were interested. So there were 16 of you who were interested in this, so good luck to all of those who entered. I will be starting this giveaway now, and we will see who wins. Midge Theater. My favorite hooks are Susan Bates. They are the first yarn hooks I ever used. Yeah, Susan Bates are definitely very good. I learned to crochet with steel hooks, size 7 to 10 on cotton thread, crocheting lace doilies. I would like to try a hook with a handle to see if I have more comfortable grip so my hand does not cramp up. I did buy one with a handle, but it did not have an indent for my thumb and it hurt to hold it. It rolled in my hand. Thank you for showing us different products so we can see what they are like before we go out and spend money on them and find we do not like them. I would like to try these. Well, Midge Theater, you can, because you just won my giveaway. So this is what I need for you to do. Go ahead and send me an email. My email is, you can find that either in the description or in the pinned comment below, okay? Send me an email with a mailing address where you can receive mail, okay? So you don't have to send me your home address. You could send me your mailing address to an office or to maybe a church, just someplace where you can pick up mail, and I will get these in the mail for you along with some surprise yarn. Alright, so I want everybody to go ahead and congratulate Midge on her win of this hidden giveaway. And I just wanted to remind everybody that if you want to enter giveaways like this, you've just got to watch my videos to the end. And, you know, most likely if it's going to be a product that you want, then you're probably going to watch to the end anyway. But I just wanted to go ahead and give the heads up that I do have giveaways other than the ones that I advertise. So make sure that you keep your eyes and ears out for that. I will see you soon with another video.